In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search app to your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. Adding a search feature can make your site much easier to navigate, helping visitors quickly find exactly what they're looking for. Whether you run a blog, portfolio, or online store, this simple addition can improve user experience and engagement. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Weebly website. Once there, click the Sign In button and enter your login credentials to access your account. After logging in, you will see your Weebly dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your website. Next, focus on the website tab, usually located on the left side of the screen. Click on it and select Edit Site to enter the editor mode where you can make changes to your site. Once in the editor, look to the left-hand menu for the header section, since adding the search app here makes it highly visible and easy for visitors to access. In the header section, locate this search icon. Clicking this icon will open its settings panel. Here, make sure the toggle switch is turned on so the search feature is displayed on your site. You also have the option to customize the color of the search icon to match your website's theme. Choosing a visually appealing color ensures the feature stands out without disrupting your design. Once you are satisfied with your adjustments, click Done to close the settings panel. Before going live, it's important to preview your changes. Use the preview feature to test the search function by entering a few sample queries to confirm it works smoothly and looks great in a simulated live environment. Finally, click Publish to make the search app live on your website. And that's it. Your Weebly site now has a fully functional search app that makes navigation easier and enhances the experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching and happy website editing.